guys, it's Nancy Fridays and me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about backsplashes in kitchens. So a lot of times when you are looking or choosing a backsplash for a kitchen, it can be kind of complicated because you want something that's different to stand out and almost act as an accent piece for your kitchen. What I really like about this is actually just simple tile, but it looks really clean and luxurious throughout the kitchen. And this should be very inexpensive and should not be too much of an upgrade because it's just a porcelain tile. It's not a glass tile or anything that is a lot of labor intensive because they're small pieces. These are actually big pieces, and you can see they line them up vertically, straight, not scattered pattern or broken pattern or anything like that, and it looks very luxurious in the kitchen. So that is an option when you are building and you're looking to select a tile. Finding a tile that looks very clean but has a subtle look that obviously pairs well with a countertop like this. It's not too busy, but it does give like a little bit of marble kind of sass vibes. I really like it. This is an alternative for an inexpensive backsplash for a kitchen. So I hope everyone is living just fancier.